Hi crafty people. In this video we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation CDD, which stands for center double decrease. I've got my swatch here. This is what the stitches look like. It's very tidy and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to knit to one stitch just before that decrease line. So you see the decrease line, it's pretty prominent here. So one stitch just before that. And I'm gonna insert my needle into two stitches as if I'm gonna knit two together and slide them off the left hand needle. Next stitch, you knit, and then you insert the needle back into those slipped stitches and slide them over the stitch that you have just knitted. So let's do that again. I'm just gonna go ahead and work the wrong side here. I've got two knit stitches on each side. And knit. All right, and we're on the right side again. So I'm gonna knit to just the stitch before this ridge here that the decrease creates. So here we are. Insert the needle as if to knit two together and slide those off. Knit next stitch. Insert your needle back into those slipped stitches and over the knit that you have just created. And there you go. That is how you do a CDD, centered double decrease.